Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will look at some Montessori practical life exercises which we can easily do at home. The first one is pasting. Here I have given a storybook and where you can see like some of the pages have came out from the binding and asked my daughter to fix the pages with the help of a glue stick. The second one is buttoning. Here I have taken a big teddy bear soft toy of my daughter and worn it a shirt and asked my daughter to button the shirts and unbutton it. So here she can practice buttoning and unbuttoning activity. The third one is zipping. The same way I have taken another soft toy and wore it a jacket of my daughter and asked her to zip it and unzip it. This is how this practical activity happened. The third one is scissor skills. Here I have taken a basic plastic scissor which is apt for toddlers use, which we don't have a risk of cutting the fingers or something. So I have bought the scissor from a stationery itself and took a simple magazine paper and traced out some lines using a ruler, as you can see, and asked my daughter to run the scissors on the same line and cut it. If you feel like your kid couldn't hold the paper with one hand and cut it, then you can use this trick which I have used here. I simply take a Play-Doh piece and secured one edge of the paper onto the surface, as it is just for 1 minute or 2 minutes temporary use. So I choose this trick. Which will keep the paper secured at one edge and easily they can run the scissors and cut the paper. When your kids master this cutting the paper in one line, then you can try zigzag line, straight line, zigzag line, curvy lines and all. Another one is pegging. Here I have taken a simple plastic tray which we get while buying some sweets and all from sweet shop, and took some cloth pegging clips and asked my daughter to peg the clips on the tray. Initially you have to show like how to use the pegs and give the instructions that they should start from the left hand side to right side. This instruction is useful when they start writing on the paper, that they always start from left to right. The last one is knotting. To make this activity more interesting, I have DIYed this shoe model with the help of a cardboard and with some sketches. I have made this shoe model because if I give directly some thread to her or shoe to her and asked her to learn knotting or something, I felt she won't show interest. So I've I made this. You can see like for before practical exercises I didn't use any DIY practical things or something. I just used indeed practical things, like for pasting they'll use some papers and all, buttoning the shirts, zipping the coat or dress, scissoring the papers, pegging the clips on something. So but this knotting, coming to the knotting, this is I felt this is a difficult activity. So to make this interesting, I made this little colorful. All these activities are the basic uh, practical exercises which are useful throughout our life, which we will do in our day-to-day life. If they learn these all activities in this age, then they can do certain things independently without depending on anybody. So these are called life skills exercises, practical life exercises. You can make them learn how to fix the lace into the shoe holes. Otherwise, directly you can make them learn knotting. I found that my girl felt it difficult with knotting the shoelace rather than fixing the shoelace. This activity really needs lots and lots of practice. So this is it for now. We will meet with another new video. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to give us a big thumbs up if you find our video helpful, and please share this video with your friends who got kids. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you again. Bye bye.